I remember when I was that age, I wanted to have my whole future mapped out in advance.
Spomnim se, ko sem jaz bil študent, kar sem si takrat želel, je, da bi imel svojo celo prihodnost splanirano.
And what I have found, and so many people my age have found, is that the most interesting part of our lives were detours.
In kar sem jaz ugotovil, in mislim, da veliko ljudi mojih let je ugotovilo, da ene najbolj zanimivega v življenju je, ko greš na stranske poti.
And as I look back now, it all fits into a piece that makes sense, a puzzle that makes sense.
In ko gledam nazaj, vidim, da vse te poti, katere sem ubral, sestavljajo čudovito sestavljanko.
I came up with a phrase one time that faith means believing in advance what will only make sense in reverse.
Torej, pred časom sem oblikoval to frazo, da vera je verjeti v nekaj, kar bo prišlo, in potem vidiš to, ko pogledaš nazaj.
Especially for a Christian, we want to know, well, what is God's will? And if God would just tell me very clearly, marry this person or take this job, it would be so much easier.
In kot kristjani se tolikokrat sprašujemo, kaj je Božja volja za mene, s kom se naj poročim, katero službo naj imam, in če nam bi Bog dal jasen odgovor, bi bilo toliko bolj enostavno.
The strange thing is, surveys show that about 80% of people look back on difficult times, hard times, as the time in which they grew the most.
Ampak, ko pogledamo različne raziskave, vidimo, da večina ljudi, približno 80%, se je največ naučila skozi trenutke, ko so bili težki v njihovem življenju.
When you're in the middle of those times, you think, why do I have to go through this? What can I possibly learn? But later you look back and say, that's the time I learned the most.
In mogoče, ko si v težkem obdobju, se sprašuješ, zakaj moram iti skozi to, kaj se bom naučil iz tega. Ampak šele potem, ko pogledaš nazaj, si videl, kaj si se naučil.
So when I was that age, I wanted a clear path, a direct line, and it was more zigzag along the way, and it was those zigs and the zags that I learned the most from.
In torej, ko sem bil mlad, sem želel imeti pač pot začrtano pred sabo, ampak potem je moja pot bila zelo v levo in desno, in sem ugotovil, da sem se največ naučil takrat, ko sem šel v levo ali v desno.